Hello guys, today is the 30 March and our today's video topic which is polymorphism in Java. So basically polymorphism is a core concept of object oriented programming systems, and there are so many definitions of polymorphism we can say, such that polymorphism it means when a single unit performing a different task, then we can say it is also a polymorphism. And we can also say that when the object has the same but it has a different behavior, then we can also say it is a polymorphism. And it is the ability to object that will be perform so many tasks at the same time. So these are the definitions of polymorphism, and we can say the polymorphism is made of with two Greek words, which has a poly and second one which is morphs. So basically the poly means many and morph means forms. So we can say the polymorphism which is a many forms. After that we can say the polymorphism are be described in two types in Java. So basically the first type which is a compile time polymorphism, and second one which is a runtime polymorphism. So in a compile time polymorphism we can also say that method overloading. So in that in a class when we create a multiple method with the same name but having their different parameters, then we can say the method overloading are concept used be there. And also after that use, when we create overload the method, it is code readability in our Java. It is also important for it means we cannot declare the method name as per a repeatedly manner. And after that method overloading we can use in two ways, which has a different type of argument which are using, and second one which is changing our data types which are using in that method signatures. So basically when we create a class, and in that method we are performing some task, for example we are performing the subtraction or addition. There are two methods, and if we create it has the same name, and if we create the object of that methods which is name is the print. So when we create an object of that one method, then we are able to print or execute the both methods when we create at once object. But the condition is if when we perform or execute in a method, in that we have to there in method signature we have to there different parameters and different data types. So that's was the reason. And after that we can say the runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism we can also say that method overriding. Method overriding is the concept when the parent class name and after that when we create a child class, the child class and parent class has also the same name. These are the properties of method overriding. And we can say in the method overriding we can also say that it overrides the older property of the parent class when we execute or creating an object of that child class. For example we create a parent class. In that parent class there are some implementation of or properties of parent. Then after that when we create a child class, and there is a new implementation or new properties of child that has been executed in that child property. And after that when we create the object of child class, then after that the parent when we extend the parent class from to child class, after that when we create the object of child class, the property of the parent class there are also override in that. So that's why it is very important. And after that we can say the examples of example of runtime polymorphism. We can say the bank which are seeing that there are some different rate of interest of that particular banks. HDFC bank has a different rate of interest, or ICICI bank has a different rate of interest. So in that scenario we can use the runtime polymorphism in that. This is the best example of runtime polymorphism. And another question which is can we override the main method? So basically the answer of that question, which is a no, because our main method is a static, and we can say the static method cannot be override, because the static method has always static, which is present in at that class area, and there are created in object that will be stored in the heap area. So that's why we can say that static methods or static variable cannot be overridden. So that's all the things in that polymorphism. Thank you.